Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's the Forex Daddy Bliss $1 billion Zambia's finest trader. So, we are going to move a step forward and understand currency pairs in details, right? So, without wasting much of the time, let's get started. So, you would need to get your MT5 on your phone or on your computer and then be able to follow through. So you would see currencies written like this. So the EUR is read as euro. USD, of course, is the US dollar. GBP stands for Great British Pound. CHF stands for Swiss franc, and all these, right? All these are pairs, right? And you can see all that. So let's talk about the base and the core currency. So the first currency of the pair is called the base currency. So if a pair is listed, let's say Euro USD, so the first currency of that pair is called the base currency, while the second pair currency is called the core currency. So an important thing to note here is that the base currency is always stronger than the core currency, with few exceptions, and we'll see why. So when you take, for example, Euro USD as an example, Euro is stronger than the US dollar. So in this case, the Euro is the base currency, and then USD is the core currency. Right, Euro is stronger than USD, so this is why Euro USD is written in this case. Euro is written first, then the USD later. So the one that is written first is usually stronger than the other. So Euro is the base, while USD is the core currency. So GBP is stronger than the USD, so it's written first and it is called the base currency, and then the USD is weaker than the GBP and it's written last, and it becomes the core currency. Now the base, we say the base is in most cases stronger than the core currency. Now there are instances where we have a weaker currency being written first. For example, AUD USD. We know that the US dollar is stronger than the Australian dollars, right? Euro GBP, we know that the pound is stronger than the euro. Sorry. USD CHF, Swiss franc is stronger than the USD. We know all these. So these are a few exceptions to that rule where the base currency is written first. Now, what you notice is that, how do you know them that this one indeed the base currency is stronger than the core currency, or here is the core currency that is stronger than the base currency? So the core currency, the cores are stronger. So how would you know them if they would always start with that? So when if in cases where the core currency is stronger than the base, you would see the number start with 0. dash 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 dash. For example, when you look at AUDUSD, you will see that it will be written as 0.67471. So meaning the core currency in this case, the USD, is stronger than the base currency. And then where we have the base currency which is stronger than the core currency, they will start with 1, or a number that is bigger, right? So for example, let's go to, let me just show you. Let's go to Market Watch, and then you see GBP USD is written 1 point, the bid and ask is starting with 1, so it means the base currency is stronger. So let's start with let's check AUD USD. AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD on the other hand is starting with 0.7. You see, so this means the core currency is stronger than the base. It is this instance. So these are the differences. So ladies and gentlemen, that is about the core currency and the base currency.